Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix this SIM card not found problem. And as you can see, this is problem occurring in many smartphones. And comment section, somebody is asking me how to solve it. In the comment section lot of people are asking. So here it is, the SIM card. It is a Airtel SIM card. You have to put inside the smartphone, and most of the people just say like put Airtel SIM card in the smartphone and it is not working. So friends, you have to recharge with 299 plan at least with your this SIM, as you can see here. So I have recharged. Firstly, you have to put this SIM in another smartphone, recharge with 299 plan, and then you have to just put inside this phone and then it will be working, and this SIM not found problem will be solved. So as you can see, it is unlocking the smartphone. So you have to just wait for a second, and now just you can see, sit tight, we are getting things ready for you. It might take up to a minute. So this is the program for Redmi only. You can see this is written over here, Airtel exclusive. This is program only for this device only. So as you can see, it is now unlocked. So friends, as you can see, I have put here the SIM card in the slot, and here it is saying that recharge to unlock phone, minimum recharge value 299. From here you can recharge it, and after the recharge completed, click on this refresh button and it will be done. Your phone is unlocked. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.